Hello friends, welcome to the Excel problem solving session. Let's go to the problem. This is one of the questions which is asked by the user. He want to copy one data, one place to another place. It might be same sheet or different sheet. And that data has some merged cells. And he want to copy, whenever he is copying, he is having the change in the column width. Now, for example, if we are selecting this data, this is the format, we can take it as a sample. And we are going to copy this and we will try to copy here. Now if I am copy and pasting here, so you can see that the column width has been changed. So the user is asking us, so how can I correct this? Okay, friends, so whenever you are copying and pasting, so I directly pasted. So I'll go back and I'm copying here, Control C, and whenever I am pasting, here if you see on the paste special, I am using all. So I am pasting this. So now since the column width has been changed and the copy area is still available, so we can right click, paste special, and then use column width and click on OK. Now you can see the same format has been copied. For a specific case, I have used the formulas as well here, and the similar formulas has been moved on the column R as well. For this particular question, we know how to copy and paste with the correct formatting as well as the column width.